Here's our glamping tent at Westgate River Ranch. Okay, we're heading to the Westgate River Ranch today. Pretty nice, huh?
Is this an actual pony?
Yes. Cowboy Adventure Park. That's where you're going.
Like screaming, up mine. I got the hay. There's a tractor ride.
Yeehaw Square.
Hi, we're at Westgate River Ranch and we're getting a golf cart right now. Bye.
Here we go. Gotta put my cowboy hat on soon. Yeehaw Square, Cowboy Adventure Park. I got my hat on. There's a lot to do. We haven't really done that much.
You just spent $86 at the general store. What did you get?
Well, I got NyQuil because I didn't want him throwing a fit tonight.
Did you know this is one of the most dangerous predators on Earth?
The emu. Here he comes. He's coming to say hi to Brady. Here he comes. Oh!
Mootsy, you cold? You need a better jacket. Do we have thicker jackets for him or no?
I mean, they have blankets. Middle of Florida.
I told them there was a treasure chest and then they were like, oh, there's a...
Twist it up. There you go, hold it up.
I love you too.
How long till you break that thing? How long till you break it? Right by the gun shooting. No TV.
What do you think? We're glamping.
What about internet? Do they have internet? this backyard of the warehouse.
Here she is.
Where's your pants?
I figured Lolo was gonna get in the middle of mommy and daddy over here, and Benji was gonna get his own bed. We'll see how it goes when everybody goes night night.
How about Benji goes in the middle right there, and the little part that your power leaves.
Can't wait to get in our tent. Hopefully it's shielded from this north wind.
A burn ban, so we can't do the fire pit, but they said we can do it on. Is that thunder?
Chop house and bar, huh?
Straighten it out, aim and fire. Kids are nuts. Set up. And comfortable. I actually slept really great, so we're gonna start our activities for the day. It's nice to be well rested, and we're already here. And we already went and took our showers and brushed our teeth. And it's gonna be another beautiful day. I'm gonna take a look. All set.
Now she went pretty well on.
Right there.
Game room? What kind of games do they have?
Dang it.
People stop.
To be honest, now that if the weather's clear, it wouldn't be so bad to ride the boat.
I can put it in.
Don't know she's beautiful.
Got some corn. You want to put some corn on there?
Uh-huh.
I love my hat.
Yeehaw Squares over there. It's a water park over here. Alright, now drive. One hand. Oh, look, you're operating it. And you're not 18. Alright, slow down, slow down, slow down. Alright, mash it. Mash it to the floor. like houses over here, right?
I don't even think I can make this turn.
Good job, Benji.
Hello, everyone in the adventure park. We will be having a baby goat in the park. Oh, if you guys would like to come over and hear some baby goat facts.
Baby goat facts.
I don't know if that was a yes or no.
It was the 14th of
Fact number one, the baby goat is cute. Oh, bear pong. Oh, that's a magnet. You can use that to pick up the blocks.
Okay, guys, we're going on a field trip.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, you got one. There you go. You got it. Other way.
You wanna try?
Yeah, I do. All right, Benji's gonna try and climb to the top of this, but right now he's waiting in line. So they have River of Riches here. You can get yourself some mining sluice. And it has real gemstones in it. Trampoline, bear trampoline wall thing. Nice and shaded over there.
Hi.
Looks like we have the water park all to ourselves.
And this is actually kind of fun.
Yeah, so remember?
I'm going the wrong way.
Yeah, I don't know why you're doing this, but that one or this one? That one?
And the slides are fun.
Which slide's more fun, the blue one or the yellow one?
I would say the green and
Green and blue one?
blue but the yellow funner fast.
The yellow's faster?
Yeah, funner fast. But actually the cool one.
The green one, or the blue one, or the yellow one?
go.
He's thirsty. Let him drink.
I would have a little refill can. That does give me time.
Yeah, so we're gonna wrap you up. Are you want to get changed and we can go back to the cabin for a while?
Yeah, there's plenty more in the cooler.
You ride your old man? Yep.
Oh, they got Big Buck Hunter HD. Need for Speed. Oh, they got the motorcycles. The duck game. Winner every time. Balls. What do you think?
Okay.
Thank you. Lolo. Thanks. Good job, Logan.